Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you exactly where to find fonts that you can use for your commercial use and for your personal use. And in this video I found this Reddit post that somebody listed all the websites that offer free commercial use fonts, and I'm going to visit each website and show you exactly how to download the fonts from those websites. And let's go for it. So the first website, it is pretty easy. Once you go in the website, you're gonna find a lot of fonts, and you're basically gonna look for the fonts that you like, and then on the side you're gonna see download, and it's gonna name the font. So you're gonna click on it, and that's it. You're basically gonna hit save, and then it is gonna download the font on your local laptop, and then all you have to do is just install it, and you're going to see it in your Adobe or whatever software you want to use the fonts on. And the second website we got is Best Free Fonts. And this website is pretty easy. You just scroll down and until you see a font that you like, click on it. All you have to do to download it is just hit here. It's going to be in about this font, then click here. Then it's gonna send you to a GitHub. And if you see this GitHub, all you have to do is hit on code, then download zip. And then once you click it, it will save it. And then inside of it, you're gonna find the fonts folder. You're gonna open it and then just install the fonts on your local laptop. And that's it for this website. And for font share is the same thing. It's easy. You just click on the font, like view family. Then here you're gonna hit download family on the side. You're gonna see this on the right. It says download family. And then once you click it, you can now download the font. So, yep, here you go. You hit save, and then now you have the font. Then we have uncut. So for uncut is the same thing too. Pretty much you're gonna hit on sans serif. You find the font that you want, hit download. Then it will send you to the another website. Then you hit download here. Then that's about it. And yeah, basically I'm gonna leave this post in the YouTube description, and you can go one by one over those websites, and basically once you find the font that you like, just download it. So the font, the thing with the font, I used to use it a lot, but sometimes it gets mixed up because you're gonna find fonts that you can use it for commercial use, and you're gonna find some that you have to pay for the commercial use, that you have to, like this one. You see, if you read the note, it only says you can use it for personal use, and if you want to use it for commercial, you have to buy the license. So the font is good and everything, but if you want to use it for commercial use, it is not 100% reliable, because sometimes you can find a font that you really like, but then you're gonna see that you have to buy a license for that font. And if you just want something that you can find just free without paying anything, then you can find a lot of options on this Reddit post. And I use Google Fonts a lot. So Google Fonts is easy. You just go here, choose the you choose the style you want the font to be, and basically once you choose it, it's gonna give you those styles of font. Then you just click on the font you like, then you click on get font, then you just hit on download all. But sometimes if you use this website a lot, and sometimes it stacks a lot of fonts here, and it's gonna download all the previous fonts that you downloaded before from Google Fonts. So the easiest way to download the specific font you want is just to read the name of the font you want and then just hit on download here, and it will just download that specific font. But if you click here and you used this website before, you might just download like 10 fonts or something like that of all the previous fonts you were browsing on the website. So yeah, we have this website. You can choose the font, and here super easy, download, then you just wait, then yep, now you can save it, and that's about it. Then we have another website here. Yep, you choose any font you like. Let's say this one. It's gonna open source GitHub. Click on the GitHub. Here it opens the font. And same thing, you hit the code, download zip. Then once you unzip it, you're gonna choose the fonts folder. Then you're gonna find all the fonts, and all you have to do is just install it on your computer or laptop. And we got this website, same thing. Choose the font, scroll, look at it. If you like it, then you're gonna hit here, external link, download. Then, yep, same thing, code. Then download the zip, click on the zip, then boom. Now you can save it, and that's about it. And that's basically the way you gotta download these fonts from most of those websites. And if you have any questions and anything didn't make sense, or you don't know how to download a font from a specific website, just leave it at the comments, and I'm gonna make sure to reply to your comment and help you to be able to download that font. And thanks for watching.